Well, good morning, you guys. I am so excited to be doing this ultimate clean with me, spring cleaning and decorating. Today's video is in collaboration with Simply Savannah. I am so excited to do this video. I have been connecting with her and she is such a doll. You are gonna love her. I am gonna put all of her information in my description box. We have similar content. I think you guys are going to adore her as much as I do. If you are from Savannah's channel, hi and welcome. My name is Lynn. I am a mom of 5 and I do cleaning motivation as well as DIY and crafts and everything in between. So I hope you would consider subscribing. I am so ready for the spring. It's a little bit cold here today in Florida, but that is okay. I put on my bright yellow shirt. We are gonna start sprucing this house up. Okay, you guys, before I get started, I wanna explain this really quick. These are our new French doors. My husband just installed these with a friend of ours. If you have been with me for a while, you remember that this was just one big archway and this in here was my office. It was really hard to work with the kids. It's really noisy. I needed some privacy. He also likes to study in the morning and the kids need some privacy as well. So this is my office. As you guys remember, he installed these French doors and this is not supposed to be a frosty snow look, even though that's what it looks like. It is actually the paper and this is the paint. We still have to paint these, but I need to get wall texture sprayed here before we paint this. So then we're gonna have a piece of glass built for up there. He wanted to close off the arch, but I really, really love the archways in this house. So you can see he just added that frame, add glass, and I still get to keep the archway. I think it's nice. It's awesome having a handy husband because if you want something done, he finds a way and he does it for me. So that's really awesome. And look, you guys, Miss Willow. Miss Willow loves my chair. If she sees me working, she is going to find me. What a sweet girl. So before I start putting out the spring decor, I am going to start cleaning up the area. It's not too messy, but I just want to declutter some paper, organize the command center, and I will show that to you in a moment. I did a whole video on this command center, so definitely check it out. I love it. I bought all of the items from Walmart and then I made the vinyls, and it makes, honestly, keeping clutter to a minimum. It keeps everything organized and I love it. Now on to cleaning out around my sink. We've already done dishes. Well, actually my husband did dishes this morning and I am going to change out the soap. I found this Mrs. Meyer's mint scent. You guys, it's not like peppermint, it's like actual mint leaves. It is so refreshing and I'm a sucker for the aqua color. Let's just be honest, it's my favorite color. You guys have to get this. It is so good. I have a link for Grove Collaborative in my description box, but you could also get this at Target. That is where I purchased mine. If you guys are wondering what I have in my Starbucks drink, I had a gift card for my birthday, yay! And I needed a little extra mom fuel, so I got a salted caramel, cold foam, cold brew with extra sweet cream, light ice, no salt. You guys, it is amazing. You've got to try it. So, 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 so good, and it will give you all the energy you need. Okay, you guys, I wanted to talk about a giveaway real quick. I am really excited. I hit 10,000 subscribers. That means 10,000 of you show up for me every single week, and I cannot tell you enough how much that means to me. I have cried with tears of joy, and I am just so thankful for each and every one of you that continue to spend your day with me. You show up. You're here, you're loving, you're encouraging, you motivate me and inspire me more than I could ever do that for you. So I just wanted to do a quick little giveaway. I'm going to show you some of the goodies I picked out and I think you guys are going to love it. So I just put a few of my favorite things in here. This is a planner right here and it is awesome. It is by the Clever Fox. I love this planner here because it helps you set goals and it helps you achieve those goals. It has a daily, weekly, monthly goal setting, and it helps you just achieve them, and that is a really big deal. I actually already had a planner that I had just purchased, so I got 2 of these. They gave me 1 to give to you guys, and I'm super excited. It also has some really amazing stickers in here to help you coordinate everything. This here is the ultimate guide to help you get focused and motivated and just be a boss. this planner is really nice because it's easy to carry around. I also got this really adorable, let me show it to you guys. I thought this plant was nice to spruce up any area. It's got a really nice ornate cement pot. It is a faux plant and I love it. It's perfect for spring, summer, and honestly all year round. It's nice to have a little pop of greenery. I have these throughout my house, so I wanted to get one for you guys. So every time you think about it, you think of me. I also got this lovely, beautiful rose gold top candle. It is a soy candle and it smells amazing. It is perfect for spring and I thought this would look so cute in your house. Smells amazing. I love it. I also got a $10 gift card to Target. You know how much I love Target, and honestly Target has everything, so I wanted to get you a little gift on me just to say thank you for your love and support with growing my channel, and I just appreciate you so much. The next thing is this metal basket. It is very sturdy. I love it. It can kind of go for the industrial look or the farmhouse look. You can use this anywhere in your house. I thought this would be a perfect addition. You could even keep this plant in here, keep the candle. I love it, and I wanted to show my appreciation by putting some of my favorite things together for you guys. If you guys want to be entered into this giveaway, make sure you comment down below. You also need to make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will have that information in my description box. If you go onto Instagram, please comment under the picture with all of these goodies in it and just let me know that you followed me here on YouTube and you're following me there. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. This giveaway will be going for 2 weeks. I will be ending it on Wednesday, March 20th, and I will be announcing the winner on Friday. So definitely make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I am so excited to be giving this to you. I will be doing more giveaways just because I love you. My birthday was actually on Sunday, and I thought, you know what a huge birthday blessing it has been to have you in my life. So if I can do this little giveaway to say thank you and just to give back, this is what I'm gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's Target, it's a planner, a really cute plant, candle, and this awesome basket. I think you guys are gonna love it. Okay, now onto the living room. I am just gonna pick everything up. I don't have too much to do. The kids are at school, so luckily I can do this and it'll stay like this for a little while. I am going to change out my pillow covers. I have my pillow covers in my Amazon store, so if you guys want to see where I got them, that is where you go. All of them are from Amazon, and pillow covers are the easiest, most effective, and cheapest way to completely change out your decor for every season. That is what I do. I have so many. So I am using these. They feel like microfiber or velour, I'm not sure, velvet. They feel like velvet pillow covers, and they are awesome. For spring, I got this really pretty light pink blush pillow cover, and I love it with the navy and the gray buffalo check. I think it's just a really nice soft color, but still incorporating my main house colors, which are the blue and aquas. If you guys are getting some cleaning motivation as well as getting super inspired to start sprucing up your space for spring and Easter, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I am going to have so many Easter crafts coming up. I have got so many bags full of stuff to show you guys. I'm so excited. So let me know, do you want just a whole video of just crafts, or do you want me to incorporate cleaning with it as well, or maybe cooking? Let me know in the comments below what you prefer to see. If you guys come across some good pillows that may be on clearance, not your color, not your style, but the perfect shape and size, pick them up, you guys. Throw a pillowcase over it and you have got a perfect new pillow. This is on my list to do. I need to spray paint this whole entire bench. I'm not sure if I want to do gold or black. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And this cover is awful. I need to redo it. I am using my e-cloth duster. I love this thing, honestly. It just makes it so much easier just to go through the house and not have to spray anything and have extra cloths. Just one thing and I am done. So for my birthday weekend, my husband and I went out and about, and I went to Home Goods and picked up some really nice spring decor. I picked up this little bouquet right here. I loved the colors, I loved the flowers, and the price was just right, but I wanted to add my own little touch to it, so I am going to add some really beautiful light green fuzzy lambs here and some of these other stems here. I'm not sure of the name of these, and I just love the way it all comes together. If you guys see something in the store and it's not quite right, but the price is right, it is okay to modify it when you get home.
Live here. We can die.
Here you will see me adding 2 of these, but I went back into the garage, got some more, and finally added another.
Fear if you try. If you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky, I'll tend to your needs. We can live here.
I decided to add one of these blue plates. I had 3 on the wall and 1 broke, so I have been using them to put other things on top of, and I love layering the items and having some of my favorite pieces around my house and kind of finding a new purpose for them. I will always encourage you guys to shop your house before you buy a thing. I always like to do that because you will be surprised how many goodies you have if you just repurpose them. This table runner was also from Home Goods. It was about $12, maybe $12.99, and I love it because I can use this year-round. The 2-tier galvanized tray was from Walmart. I believe it's Better Homes and Gardens. My friend Christina gave it to me about a year or so ago. It was the regular silver galvanized look, and I just spray painted it and it completely changes the look. This little potted plant was in the dollar section. I got it Valentine's Day at Target. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you saw that last week my boys were had a friend over and playing hide and go seek, and right as I was just loving the sound of my boys giggling and having fun, I heard a big loud crash in my mirror, my Scentsy, everything in this entryway shattered completely on the floor. So for my birthday, I got a new mirror, and that's why if you've been with me for a while, it looks a little bit different. That is why. I usually make my bed first thing in the morning, but I rushed out this morning to get the kids to school, and when I got home, I knew I had someone coming over, so I wanted to do the main areas in the house first. Luckily, I had time to come and make the bedroom look somewhat presentable. You guys know I have to make my bed every single day, and I encourage you guys to do the same. I am going to put one of my velvet aqua pillow covers over my pillow just to spruce it up and brighten up my room a bit.
Something in the way that you looked up on me is telling me I should go. Yeah, I wish I could get an answer, 'cause I don't even know my name right now. I don't know how to feel about this. It all just moves so slow.
So many of you guys loved my chenille bedspread, and I wanted to let you know, I think I told you the wrong place that I got it. I got confused. I got this bedspread from Overstock, and if you guys want to get it too, they still have it available, and I will have all of that information in my description box.
How to feel about it? No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it? No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
Okay, you guys, I have got everything picked up and cleaned, and I have started brightening up my home with some beautiful spring colors. I have so much more to do. I have tubs full of spring and Easter, so this is just a little taste of what I've got coming. I have so much more for you guys. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. You guys, I have a ton of awesome videos coming up. You do not want to miss it. I'm going to have lots of decor, DIY, crafts, and lots of cleaning, like always. So I am so thankful that you guys are here with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you want to enter into the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Comment down below that you have entered. Also, go over to my Instagram and follow me on there. Don't forget to check out Simply Savannah. She is a sweetheart. I am so excited for you guys. Thank you all for your love and support. I couldn't do it without you. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.